In the vast expanse of our solar system, beyond the gas giants Jupiter and Saturn, lie two mysterious and often overlooked worlds, Uranus and Neptune. These planets, known as the ice giants, are vastly different from anything else in our cosmic neighborhood. But why are they so unique? What secrets do they hold? And could they teach us more about the formation of distant exoplanets? Unlike Jupiter and Saturn, which are mostly made of hydrogen and helium, Uranus and Neptune have a very different composition. They contain high amounts of water, ammonia, and methane ice, earning them the title of ice giants. But despite being similar in structure, these two planets have stark differences. Uranus rotates on its side, almost as if it were knocked over by a cosmic impact. Neptune, on the other hand, has the strongest winds in the entire solar system, reaching speeds of over 2,100 kilometers per hour. Why are they so different? Scientists believe the answer lies in their formation history, which remains one of the greatest mysteries in planetary science. Uranus is truly one of a kind. Unlike any other planet in our solar system, it is tipped over on its side by almost 98 degrees. This means that for nearly half of its 84-year orbit, one pole faces the sun constantly, while the other is plunged into total darkness. But what caused this extreme tilt? One leading theory suggests that a massive planetary collision early in Uranus's history knocked it over. This impact could also explain why Uranus emits very little heat compared to other planets. Perhaps because the collision disrupted its internal heat flow. But there's another mystery. Uranus's magnetic field is completely bizarre. Instead of aligning with its rotation, it is tilted 60 degrees off-center and appears to switch places as the planet rotates. Scientists believe this could be due to a complex, layered internal structure. Neptune, the eighth and farthest planet from the Sun, is a dynamic and violent world. Despite being nearly 4.5 billion kilometers away, it is an active and stormy planet. The Great Dark Spot, similar to Jupiter's Great Red Spot, was a giant storm the size of Earth. Neptune's winds are the fastest in the solar system, reaching speeds of over 2,100 kilometers per hour, 1,300 miles per hour. But how does Neptune generate such powerful storms when it receives so little sunlight? Scientists believe it has an internal heat source, releasing more than twice the energy it receives from the sun. Unlike Uranus, Neptune's magnetic field is also misaligned. But what's even stranger is that it shifts position regularly. This suggests the planet has a complex, active core, possibly with layers of conductive materials. Could Uranus or Neptune harbor some form of life? While their harsh, freezing atmospheres make surface life impossible, scientists speculate that their deep oceans of water and ammonia could be hiding something extraordinary. Some theories suggest that underneath their icy exteriors, these planets might have superheated oceans, where exotic chemical reactions could occur. While we haven't sent any missions to explore them in detail, future probes might finally uncover what lies beneath their icy clouds. Despite their importance, Uranus and Neptune remain the least explored planets in our solar system. The only spacecraft to visit them was Voyager 2 in the 1980s, giving us our only close-up images. But that may soon change. NASA and ESA have proposed the Neptune Odyssey and Uranus orbiter missions, which could launch in the 2030s. These probes would orbit the planets, analyze their moons, and reveal the secrets hidden beneath their clouds. If successful, these missions could revolutionize our understanding of ice giants, and perhaps even help us understand the thousands of exoplanets beyond our solar system. Uranus and Neptune may be far from the Sun, but they are crucial to unlocking the mysteries of planetary formation, extreme weather, and the potential for hidden oceans in the cosmos. As we stand on the brink of new discoveries, one thing is certain: the ice giants still have many secrets left to reveal. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep space explorations.